This right here is your best and most realistic look yet at the iPhone 17 Pro Max in that gorgeous Hermes orange and deep dark blue, rocking a two-tone aluminum finish. Apple's going bold with a rectangular camera module on the top left, triple cameras, LED flash, mic, LiDAR, the works. The bottom half is all glass for wireless charging, and the whole thing is stitched together with that signature Apple titanium frame. It's packing a massive 5,000 mAh battery running iOS 26 out of the box, featuring a brand new liquid glass UI and of course the beastly A19 Pro chipset that's ready to push console-level AAA games. Now here's the shocking part. Multiple sources are saying the iPhone 17 Air and iPhone 17 Pro are getting a much smaller dynamic island. We're talking a new pill-shaped cutout that houses just the selfie camera and Face ID, way smaller than what we've seen on the 14, 15, and 16 Pro models. Leaked specs from Korea reveal the regular iPhone 17 is finally stepping up. Dual cameras, the A19 Bionic chip, 8 gigs of RAM, and a 3,600 mAh battery. But here's the big deal, a 120Hz ProMotion display across both the iPhone 17 and 17 Air. No more 60Hz laggy refresh rates. This alone is going to make these models sell like crazy. The thinnest iPhone ever, the iPhone 17 Air, comes in at just 5.5 millimeters. That's thinner than the iPhone 6 at 6.9 millimeters and even slimmer than the Moto Z, which held the record at 5.2 millimeters. It's rocking a 6.6-inch display, a single 48-megapixel high-res camera, and a smaller 2,800 mAh battery to keep things lightweight. On the Pro side, both the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are absolute camera monsters. Triple 48-megapixel sensors, 8K video recording, and an insane 8x periscope lossless zoom. The Pro model gets a 3,700 mAh battery, while the Pro Max holds that 5,000 mAh pack, and both support 35 watts fast charging. Apple's also introducing an anti-glare nano-texture display, but of course it's exclusive to the Pro models. And get this, the Pro and Pro Max may finally bring reverse wireless charging. So yeah, you'll be able to charge your AirPods, your Apple Watch, and maybe even your friend's iPhone or Android right off the back of your device. We've also seen leaked chassis shots of the iPhone 17 Air, and design-wise, it kind of reminds me of the Nexus 6P with that pill-shaped module. No telephoto or ultra-wide cameras here, but that's the trade-off for keeping it ultra-slim and super light. The dynamic island will still be there, housing a new 24-megapixel selfie shooter with Face ID. So there it is, the entire iPhone 17 lineup. The standard 17, the super thin 17 Air, the feature-packed 17 Pro, and the monster 17 Pro Max. Exciting new colors, next-level specs, and Apple's boldest design choices yet. Which one would you pick? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.